Right, Honorable Speaker and Honorable Fufa President. Today, honorable members present and our dear athletes from schools due to flag off the teams that represented Uganda well in the regional football football games for schools. St. Noah Girls SS, please wave to the speaker. Wave, 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 St. Noah Girls there. And Chitende, St. Mary's Chitende, please wave. And this has been supported by CAF, and they are going to represent us at Africa level. And remember, we are congratulating ourselves as a nation and football fraternity for having achieved for the first time what qualification for World Cup under 17.
Thank you, Commissioner. The honorable members of Parliament who are here with us. Right, Honorable Speaker, it is a simple occasion. I know that from here we are going to the boardroom where speeches will be made. Therefore, let us just do the simple one. These two teams are going to represent Uganda on a continental level. And right on what has changed is that in the past it used to be schools. But now when you go to Africa, you are called the Team Uganda boys and Team Uganda girls. So they are going to represent us as a country. So we will do the speeches in the boardroom. Let us just do the ceremonies. And I believe that when we're in the boardroom, when we're in the boardroom, we'll do the necessary speeches. So let us just do the simple occasion of handing over the flag.
Captain from Gaza and captain from Rosa, and I'm trying to enjoy the captainship.